New from Ego, the #1 rated brand in outdoor power, comes the world's most advanced string trimmer. The Ego 15-inch POWERLOAD string trimmer with aluminum telescopic shaft. Designed with a telescopic aluminum shaft, you can easily adjust the length to match your height, giving you ultimate control over comfort. Featuring POWERLOAD technology, loading the line has never been easier. Simply feed the line, press the button, and get back to work in seconds. Powered by Ego's industry-leading 56-volt arc lithium battery technology, a single charge gives you 45 minutes of cut time, delivering the power and performance of gas. Its variable speed control and 15-inch cutting swath give you total control for precise trimming. Experience power beyond belief with the Ego 15-inch POWERLOAD string trimmer with aluminum telescopic shaft.